Well, I'm now joined by Jessica Thomas, who is the editor of Physics. Jessica, welcome.
Thank you.
Now tell us a little bit to start off with, what is Physics?
Well, Physics is an online publication from the American Physical Society, and what we do each week is we take a small number of papers from the APS journals, that's Physical Review Letters and the Physical Review, and we explain what they are, what the main result is. We try to focus on the papers that have a newsworthy element, that represent a big development in the field. And the whole goal is just to keep the physics community aware of the exciting research that's going on outside of their own, outside of an individual's specialty.
So what's the purpose of it? Why are you doing this?
Well, when people write a paper, I think they really are writing it for other specialists in their field. But they are still working on really interesting things that people outside of that field would want to know about if it could be explained. So that's what we do. We basically explain the results so that anybody can understand it, and the whole idea is to keep connections going in the field, and sometimes people find things outside of their own field that they wouldn't know about otherwise, and that's definitely one of the goals of what we're doing.
It's a great idea, isn't it? Because you come to a meeting like this and you're bombarded by thousands of sessions and papers, and it's really hard to keep you abreast, even if you are a physicist. So it's online, isn't it, the publication?
Yeah, it's online only, and it's also completely free. You don't need a subscription to read it, and actually some of the papers we cover are also free to read.
And how do you can you sign up for it, or do you get it?
Well, you don't have to sign up for it. You can just go to the website, but you can also get a weekly email alert. We send it out every Monday, and you can just go to your journal account, and all referees and authors have a journal account, but you don't have to be a referee or author to have one, and you go to the alerts tab and sign up for your physics email alert.
And how about non-physicists? Because part of the APS's remit, isn't it, is to communicate more widely on the value of physics. So does this reach non-physicists as well?
Well, I would say that it's still mostly targeted at physicists, but we try to have at least one story every week that we think goes beyond that group. And we also take the papers that we're highlighting and we use them to prepare a weekly tip sheet that gets sent out to journalists. Again, that's an effort to bring more publicity to the work that physicists are doing.
What's the big story of this week then?
Well, we just published a commentary article about the first 3D image of a virus using an X-ray laser.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
Sounds exciting.
Yeah.
Well, Jessica, thank you ever so much for taking the time to talk to us today.
Thank you very much.
Best of luck. Thank you.